Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Workspace for storing tax consent and forms. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Google Workspace for storing tax consent and forms, first, navigate to the Google Workspace website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. Enter your business name in the provided field. Fill in the number of employees you have. Provide a valid contact email address for account setup. Choose whether you want to use Google Workspace for your business or for personal use. Next, select your desired plan that fits your budget and needs. Enter your payment information to complete the billing process. Once your account is created, sign in with your newly created credentials. From the Google Workspace dashboard, access Google Drive. In Google Drive, click the New button on the left-hand side. Select Folder to create a dedicated space for your tax. Name the folder appropriately, such as Tax Documents. Upload your tax consent forms by clicking the New button again. Then choose File Upload and select the documents from your computer. Once uploaded, right-click on each file to set sharing permissions. Choose Share and enter the email addresses of those who will need access. Set their permission levels based on whether they need view or edit access. After adjusting permissions, click Send to share the files. To further secure your documents, consider using two-factor authentication. Go to the Google account settings to enable this feature. Finally, familiarize yourself with organizing files within Google Drive. Create subfolders as necessary to keep everything systematic and easily accessible. You now have Google Workspace set up for storing tax consent. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.